This is Geometry C, Lesson 10.3, Volumes of Pyramids and Cones. So you don't need to worry about going through the investigation, but basically what you'll find if you were to do it was that the volume of a pyramid is always 1/3 the volume of the prism with the same base. So if we know the volume for the prism of any base, we can take that same volume, and 1/3 of it means we divide by 3, and it'll be the exact same volume. So I had these formulas from lesson 10.2 for the various bases of prisms. I can keep those same formulas. I just need to add a divide by 3. Now that's the formula for a rectangular pyramid. With the cylinder, I'll add a divide by 3. Now that's the formula for a cone. With the trapezoid, I'll add a divide by 3. Now that's the formula for a trapezoidal pyramid. And with the triangle, add a divide by 3. Now that's the formula for a triangular pyramid. So I'm going to add one additional formula that wasn't on the previous page, and that's the polygon. You actually won't need to use this formula on the exercises today, but on the word problem section that comes in the next section 10.4, it'll talk about polygonal prisms and pyramids. So for the polygonal prism, let's just say a polygon in general, the area is the apothem times the side length times the number of sides divided by 2. That's a formula from chapter 5 if you were in Geometry B. Then to make it a prism volume formula, we multiply by the height of the prism. Then to make it a pyramid volume formula, we add a divide by 3. So we're going to use this formula first on this example. That is a hexagonal pyramid, so our polygonal formula will work if we make the number of sides 6, because a hexagon has 6 sides. So the volume of this hexagonal pyramid is the apothem, which is 5, times the side length, which is 6, times the number of sides, which is 6, divided by 2, times the height of the pyramid, which is 8, and then divided by 3. So 5 times 6 times 6 divided by 2 times 8 divided by 3, I get 240 cubic centimeters. Example B says find the volume of the cone. So I'm going to use my formula with a circular base. The volume of this cone is pi times the radius squared times the height divided by 3. And using the pi button on my calculator, I get 75.4 cubic inches. Using 3.14 instead of the pi button, I get 75.4. Same answer. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, good luck with the exercises.